Like Jackson found the brain-eating amoeba in our water system. We are advised to stop using water for any purpose except flushing toilet. City officials are providing free water for city residents. You can go to Brazil Sport College to get water. Each vehicle will be able to get one case. This is the one we got. Our governor declared a state emergency because of this water issue. Now we can use boiled water for drinking and cooking. We also can take shower, but need to pay attention, do not get the water into nose. This situation may last for a while. How long? I have no idea.